Okay, so in these problems you're going to be solving using the Pythagorean theorem. What you got to remember is the Pythagorean theorem is always a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, so you need to find your a, your b, and your c. Alright, so you need to know your legs and you need to know your hypotenuse. Alright, now the legs are always attached to the 90. Alright, so a and b are interchangeable, they're my legs. Alright, so I could have put b here, I could have put b here, I could put a here, I could have put a here. I chose to go a and b. Alright, c is always going to be your hypotenuse. Okay, it's across from the 90. Alright, like that. Alright, so now that I know that, I can solve these problems. Alright, so I have a leg of 6, and I don't know this leg, and I know that the hypotenuse is 10. Okay, so I'm going to just call this a, because it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Alright, so I'm going to go a squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared. Alright, so it'll be a squared plus 36 equals 100. Alright, and then I have to subtract 36, and I get a squared equals 64. Alright, now, to cancel out a squared, I'm going to have to take the square root. So, squared and square root cancel each other out. I get a equals the square root of 64 is 8. So, I know that a equals 8. Alright, on the bottom here. Alright, I know my legs, so I know my a and b, and I don't know my c, so I don't know c. Alright, so I go a squared, it doesn't matter which ones, I'm going to say 4. So 4 squared plus 3 squared equals c squared. Okay, so 4 squared is 16 plus 3 squared is 9 equals c squared. Okay, 16 plus 9 is 25 equals c squared. And then I have to cancel out squared, so I'm going to take the square root. So c equals 5. So I know that c equals 5. There we go.